Hi guys, welcome back to the Lazy Maze Country Kitchen. I've got a treat for you today. We are going to be making another wonderful dessert. And you will need Ritz crackers, or you can get these naturally flavored butter rounds from Walmart. And that's what I'm going to be using. And I'm going to be using some Walmart creamy peanut butter. So all you need to do for the first part of this is just make some peanut butter crackers. Well, we don't want to use that one, it's broke. So we make a good treat. All you want to do is get your crackers filled. I need to get mine a little bit more even. Alrighty guys, I've done 2 packs of the butter rounds. And as I was doing this, I was standing here thinking, I'm going to try this with some Neller wafers also. If you ain't never had no Neller wafers and peanut butter, they are good. So I'm going to try dipping them. Because I ain't never had none. So now, all I'm going to do with these little guys is I'm going to put a little bit of peanut butter on them too, just like the butter rounds. And as soon as I get these done, because I'm going to have to get me some other peanut butter too, but as soon as I get these done, I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, here is my Ritz crackers, butter rounds, whatever you want to call it, and peanut butter, and my vanilla wafers all filled with peanut butter. So now I'm going to stick these in the freezer for about 30 minutes or so. And as soon as I get them out of the freezer, I'll bring you back. Oh, you'll want to cover this or put it in some kind of covered container. But we're going to slap her in the freezer for 30-40 minutes and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys. We are getting ready to finish up this dessert. And as you can tell, I have my lovely Instapot here with about 2 cups of water in it. And my stainless steel bowl. We're going to turn this on sear. And we're going to let it heat up. And we are going to be melting some white chocolate. Alright, the reason I wanted to use this is because you can set it on warm after this melts. And it will keep your chocolate good and melty, and you won't have to, keep going back and forth, back and forth. And I'm going to start out with about a half a bag and melt this and see what happens. I'm probably going to have to use some more, but we're going to start with the half a bag. We got to give it a little taste test, you know. So good. I love hot chocolate. Alrighty, guys. I'm going to let this sit here till it starts melting, and then I'll bring you back. Yeah, there comes Mr. Lazy. He got to sneak him some too.
You said white chocolate. I'll come running.
I'm prepared. I've got multiple bags of these guys.
Yeah, no wonder. Them are good.
They are good. Let's just go ahead and put the whole thing in here.
Yeah, I'll be in the coma in a while. I'll be over here with straw when it melts.
But I'm going to go ahead and get my wax paper set up and grab my crackers out of the freezer and get everything. Well, I'm going to leave the crackers in there till this melts, but I'm going to get my wax paper and everything set up over here so we can dip them in here and put them over here and let them set up. Y'all, this is so good and so delicious. So let's get to melting because we're not cooking tonight. So let's get these things melted. And as soon as it starts heating up a little, I'll bring you right back. Yeah, Mr. Lazy's over here saying, why do we bother buying hot chocolate desserts when we can make it? But guys, this is the first time I've ever tried this in my Instapot. But as you can tell, it's starting to melt. And it's only been about 2 minutes or so. So we're going to just let it sit here and do whatever for a few minutes, and I'll bring you right back. So you can see how good it's already melting, and I'm serious, it's been 2 minutes. Alrighty guys, I'm going to show you something I messed up with. My bowl was a little bigger. I needed one a little smaller to set down in here, and now all the steam's coming up. So make sure you get it to where it'll just fit down in there, because the steam's going to come out regardless. But as you can tell, my bowl's wanting to go wonky. But see how good it's melting? I mean, it's not even been... It's been about 2 more minutes. So it's about 4 minutes. But you have to be careful with the steam. But I'm going to go ahead and cut this off because this is pretty much melted. And I'm going to turn it on warm to stay warm. Little miss, you need to tell your grandma that y'all need to make this together because this will be good. Tell her to send me a picture of the ones y'all make together because these are so good. You're just absolutely going to love them. Alrighty guys, I'm going to get my crackers out because this is good and smooth. Get me a couple of forks and start dipping. Alrighty guys, I added just a tad little bit of evaporated milk to this to get it smooth and creamy. So now we're going to dip them. Just roll them in there like so. Hand me the fork. And we'll put these back and then we will re-dip. See, there's the Nilla wafers in there. I don't know how these are going to turn out. I've never had Nilla wafers covered in hot chocolate and peanut butter.
You never know till you try.
Exactly. Then I got me some Ghirardelli.
I hope that's as good as the other brand.
Ghirardelli is supposed to be really good. But I'm going to add just a
couple. I'll tell
few
you
of these.
I'll just add
Well,
a
put
couple.
them in there. They'll be okay. I'm going to turn this back on for just a second. Stop.
I hate to tell you, I think rather have better taste.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
But we're going to see if I thinned it too much. I don't think I need to keep this on very long. Because like I said, I've tried melting chocolate before and I've never ever got it to turn out right. So we're going to see how it goes. I just ain't a good chocolate melter, I don't guess.
It's thickening up for you.
I think it's because it wasn't warm and it melted it just enough to make it thick, I think. It sure is good though.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna put just a dab.
Maybe put that back on warm.
Yeah. Oh, not on warm. Alright. Now, since that's good and smooth, that's good and warm. It's about to start boiling, so we're going to stick her back on, keep warm. Now put one in here and see what it looks like.
Oh, I got done wrapping.
Because the other ones are looking a little thin. And I think this is going to be looking a little thick. But we'll see how she goes.
Yeah, I think that's the way. A little thick.
Well, it is, but that's the way you'll want it to be after you get it drained off.
I don't know if I'd want that much, but it'll be okay.
It's really on there just thin. If I can get it out now.
Well,
we'll coat it with the earth. It's gonna have to be thin just to hire. Wipe it off the bottom. Yeah. Hold on. I missed a spot. Okay. I'm going to add just a tad bit more milk. Turn this back on for a minute.
It's probably still hot now.
Probably, but I'm gonna make sure. Alrighty, that's a little better. Hand me my spatula. Alrighty, now let's give this a whirl again.
Experimental station.
Yep, I'm telling you, I've never done these before, so. Now that looks about right. Slap me one in here, it's all mixed up good. Wipe it off.
Oops, I dropped that.
I ain't gonna have none to even get y'all a shot because he's gonna stand here and eat them all.
Now
you know why I like being in the kitchen by myself. I got nothing to show for all my hard work except for him passed out on the couch from a full belly.
Vanilla wafers ain't bad.
Really? What you like best, the Ritz or the vanilla wafers?
I don't know. I ain't tried the Ritz yet, but might have tried the vanilla.
Oops, I didn't let it set up, but see this? I'm going to give it a try. This is vanilla.
What you trying, the wafer or the vanilla?
Vanilla wafer. The Ritz I know is good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, these are good too. Oh, Lord, these are so good, guys. Alrighty, guys, they are done. And I need some practice at doing the dipping. But anyway, we're going to give these a taste test and let you know how they are. But I don't know. These things are good. These things are so good. You got to give them a try. They ain't hard at all. If you're a better chocolate coater than me, they ain't pretty, but I guarantee they'll be good. Alrighty, guys. I'm going to give it a taste for you. See my beautiful chocolatier work. Oh, these are so crunchy. The texture is so good, but oh my gosh, are they good.
They are good.
The little bit of salt that comes on the cracker with the chocolate and the peanut butter, I'm telling you, y'all got to try this. This is just so good. Thanks, guys. Love ya. Alrighty, guys. Mr. Lazy's got our... I don't know what you call them. What you want to call them? Peanut butter cracker... Hot chocolate peanut butter crackers.
Something like that.
Yep. But let's see what he thinks. Look at them eyes.
Don't grab them.
Oh, man. He don't want to share with nobody. He don't want Josh coming down here and stealing these cookies.
That's right.
Alrighty, guys. This is a yum yum. You gotta make you some. If you's rating it, 5 star, 1 star, 5 star being the best, 1 star being the worst. What you say they are?
At least 4.5.
At least 4.5.
But I know I like them with the white chocolate better than I do with regular chocolate.
Alrighty. Well, there you go, guys. He likes them. I love them. I absolutely love them. Like I said, somebody brought them to a family reunion, and I'm not a good chocolate dipper, but they turned out good. So, yum,
You
yum.
just don't have to practice some.
Yep, yum, yum. Go make you some.
That just goes to show you don't have to be perfect at things. It may not turn out to look right.
Exactly.
It may not look pretty, but it can be tasty.
Exactly. And here, I'm going to be honest with you. I mean, I'm serious. That's the first time I ever dipped anything, so it can't be too hard. Alrighty, guys. We love you, and I'll see you on the next Lazy Mae's Country Kitchen.
Bye.
Bye.